Good morning, student. Welcome back to our math session. Today we will start the new chapter, that is chapter number 8, metric measures. Okay. So first we see the what is meant by metric measures. So in earlier times the people use different parts of their body to measure the length. See like this, hand span. Okay. So hand span means, see, this is in picture. See here in this picture, this is hand span. Okay, the length between the thumb and little finger. Okay, thumb and little finger is called hand span. Okay, so when we what is the example? A desk, garland, or small rope can be measured in a hand span. So suppose this is the length of book, you have to use by using this hand span. How many hand span? Then cubit. Second is cubit. This is cubit means the length from the tip of the middle finger to the elbow. Okay, so this length is called cubit, and the length of sari can be measured in a cubit. And third is foot span. The length from tip of the toe to heel is called foot span, and the length of room can be measured in a foot span. So these are the non-standard unit of measurement, and as measurement different from person to person. Okay, because the height of all the persons is different. Okay, so length also different. Measurement is not perfect. This is different from person to person. So for uniformity, standard unit of measurement were adopted. Okay, so metric unit of measurement is here the system of measuring length, weight, and capacity using certain standard unit. Okay, hand span, cubit, foot span, these are the non-standard unit, and this unit vary from person to person. But now we use a standard unit for measuring length, weight, and capacity. So this standard unit known as metric system or a metric unit of measurement. Okay, so for length we use, length is a measurement of object from end to end. Okay, suppose this is a pen. So what is the length of this pen? So we measure the object from end to end. This is called length, and we use here length of measure using tools such as measuring tape, ruler. Okay, so we use, which unit we use for a length? We use millimeter for small object. Millimeter, you know the scale or ruler. This is 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3. But middle, how many lines? 10 line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is 10. So this 10 this is small line means millimeter. This is for small object. Then we also use centimeter. This is, suppose this is the length of the pen. How much this is? This is 2 centimeter. Okay. Then for larger object we use meter. Like for the measurement of your ground, you have to use meter, and then kilometer. When we go from one place to another place, you have to use the unit kilometer. Okay, this is for length. Then for weight. So weight we use which unit? So for weight we use gram and kilogram. Okay, small lighter object we use gram and kilogram. This is for heavy object. Okay, and again there is milligram for small object. Suppose you have to buy a gold, then the weight of gold you have to take in milligram, सबसे small. Okay, milligram, then gram, and then kilogram. Okay, so you have to write like this. This is smallest. Okay, smaller, gram, sorry, this is the small, then gram, and after that this is kilogram. Then next is for measurement of capacity. What will we use to measure a capacity? We use, this is in liquid, so we use here milliliter and liter. Okay, so these all units you know already. Okay, so आपको पता है कि लेन के लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं? मीटर, सेंटीमीटर, मीटर, मिलीमीटर, सेंटीमीटर, मीटर एंड किलोमीटर. फॉर वेट we use milligram, gram and kilogram, and for capacity milliliter and liter. Okay, so you have to solve the question number 2 and 3. Okay, see, let's recall. First you have to write these three definitions or units of measurement, 1, 2, 3 for length, weight and capacity. Then solve the question number 1. Take the appropriate unit for each of the following. So this is the bag, 250 gram and 250 kilogram. तो kilogram is heavy, तो इतना बड़ा बैग तो नहीं होगा आपका. So your answer is 250 gram. Okay, this question you have to solve logically. This is a milk pack. This is not ml. Ml means 1 drop only. So this is in liter. Then your ruler scale. How many centimeters? Here centimeters are given. 15 centimeter scale. Check your ruler and see. There is a 15 centimeter. Not meter. Meter बहुत बड़ा आएगा. Greater. This is capacity of bucket. Liter or milliliter. Again this is liter. Okay. Then what is the unit we will use to measure the following? So length of pin. Pin कितनी रहेगी? See here this much. Small. So we use your centimeter. Weight of your book. This is in gram. Okay, not kilogram. Weight उसका कम रहता है. Okay. Then height of a girl. So this is again height of girl in centimeter. Okay, 160 centimeter, 175 centimeter. So we measure the height of girl in centimeter. And capacity of bucket we measure in liter. Okay, so solve these two questions in your textbook only. Then try to solve the question number 3. Okay, question number 4 and question number 5. See here the height of one building is 26 meter 52 centimeter, and then height of another building is 32 meter and 15 centimeter. Find the difference between the height of the building. You have to find here difference, means you have to do the subtraction. 32 meter minus 32 meter 15 centimeter minus 26 meter 52 centimeter. So here you have to do the subtraction. Then the weight of basket full of mangoes 5 kg 250 gram. If the weight of empty basket is 326 gram, then find the weight of mangoes. Again here full basket weight with mangoes 5 kg 250 gram and empty 326 grams. So again here you have to do the subtraction. Okay, then fifth question, 294 liter 436 milliliter of water is there in a overhead tank. If 149 liter 594 milliliter of water is added to it, then find the total quantity of water. Here you have to find the total quantity. So again here you have to do the addition. So these three questions try to solve yourself. Okay, first two question is subtraction and one question is addition. Okay, now we see next part. This question number 6 we see later. Okay, now see page number 128, conversion of a unit of measurement. So first we see the unit of length. So standard unit of length is meter. So first we write this meter, middle. Okay, METRE, this is meter. Okay, then right hand side, this is your right hand side, you have to write the smaller unit, and your left hand side you have to write the greater unit or larger unit. So beside the basic unit of the measurement such as meter for a length, gram for a mass and liter for a capacity, we measure we have other units as well that help us measure the smaller and larger quantity. So standard unit is meter. Here right hand side is smaller unit and left hand side is greater unit. So meter. After that meter, here is decimeter. Okay, here decimeter. So write this decimeter, and how to write this? Small dm. Then after decimeter, again smaller unit is centimeter. Okay, so centimeter, how to write centimeter? cm. Okay, this already know that. After centimeter, smaller unit is millimeter. And how to write? mm, small. These are the smaller unit. Meter, after meter which is smaller unit, decimeter, then again smaller unit centimeter, and then millimeter. Then here right hand side greater unit. When we go or move left hand side, the unit value of the unit is increases. The meter, then here we get decameter. Okay, decameter. And how to write this? DAM. See, decimeter we use DM. For decameter we use DAM. Decameter. After decameter there is hectometer. Right, hectometer. And what is the symbol? HM. Okay, and then after hectometer here is kilometer and km. Kilometer means km. So see here, meter is a standard unit, then decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. And when we move left hand side, this is decameter, hectometer and kilometer. So when we move from smaller unit to bigger unit, we divide by 10. For each unit, 2 word is left. Okay, so when we move from smaller unit to bigger unit. Okay, see, this is smaller unit. When we move bigger unit, so here we divided by 10. Okay, again when we convert centimeter to decimeter, again we divided by 10. Then decameter to meter divided by 10. So here when we move smaller unit to larger unit or bigger unit, we divided by 10. So you write here divided by 10. Then again when we move here, divided by 10. Decimeter to meter divided by 10. Meter to decameter divided by 10. Decameter to hectometer divided by 10. And hectometer to kilometer again divided by 10. Okay, when we move from smaller unit to bigger unit. Okay, remember this. When we convert smaller unit into bigger unit, then we divided by 10. Okay, see here, which is smallest unit here? This is millimeter is the smallest unit and kilometer is the bigger unit. Okay, millimeter, then centimeter, then decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer and kilometer. Now, see, when we move from, okay, so first we see today's this much only. When we move from smaller unit to bigger unit, we divided by 10 for a each unit toward as left. Then this is same for a mass, unit of a weight. वेट के लिए हम क्या यूज करेंगे? व्हाट इज विच इज द स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट फॉर अ वेट? ग्राम. ग्राम इज द स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट ऑफ वेट. ओके, सो यू हैव टू राइट इन मिडल. यहाँ पे आएगा क्या? ग्राम. एंड वी राइट हियर जी फॉर ग्राम. नाउ वी मूव here smaller unit. These are the small. So again same here. Here is decigram. Now here is gram. because here length, this is weight. So we use here gram. And how to measure? dz, here dm, dz. Then centigram, that is cg. And then milligram, that is mg. Okay, and here bigger unit, deca. Decagram means dg, sorry, dag. A, here is difference, is A and here is no A. Okay, decagram. Then hectogram, hg. And then kilogram means kg. Okay, so these are the unit. Again same here, when we convert smaller unit into bigger unit, then we divided each unit by 10. Then again same you have to write for a length. Length means you have to use unit of length. Okay, so standard unit, sorry, unit of capacity. So standard unit of the capacity is liter. Okay, and how to write L? So again here you have to write deciliter, then centiliter, and then milliliter. And when you move this side, this is decaliter, hectoliter, and kiloliter. Okay, so this you have to write in your notebook today. So this table, you have to write this conversion unit of measurement and write this all table in your notebook, and write this. When we move from smaller unit to bigger unit, we divide by 10 for each unit toward its left. And also write this sentence. Okay, so today's homework, you have to complete the let's recall and this page number 128 in your notebook. Thank you.